I always thought I had my turkey game right until last year when I brined it for the very first time. Talk about absolute deliciousness. It was so good. Every piece of that turkey was well seasoned to the bone, and we all enjoyed it. Today I'm sharing with you my very simple turkey brine recipe, and I hope it is useful for you for this holiday period. Come along and let's do this. I'll start making my brine with 1 gallon of water, 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. I'm going to pour it here into my pot. To this, I'm going to add a cup of coarse kosher salt. I'm going to add some garlic. I'm also going to add some ginger, some chili flakes. I'm also going to add my peppercorns. I'm going to add 4 bay leaves in here. And now I'm just going to stir this. You just want to stir until everything is all mixed up. More like until your salt is dissolved. I'm going to take this to the stove top to cook. Just bring it to a boil. Bringing my water to a boil is going to allow all these aromatics to infuse into it. Just look at the color right now. Beautiful. It is about to start boiling, and as soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to turn off the flame. Allow this to cool down before we continue with the next process. I gave this 30 minutes to sit and rest. It has cooled off a little bit, not all the way through. I'm going to transfer it into a bigger pot. This is the pot I'm going to actually brine my turkey in. To that, I'm going to add some ice. Actually, I'm trying to add equal amounts of ice. I don't have enough ice in my fridge, so I'm going to add more cold water here. So straight from my fridge, I'm going to add some cold water. So all we are trying to do is come up with 2 gallons of cold water, ice cold water preferably. You don't want anything that is warmer than room temperature because you're going to end up probably cooking your turkey. So here's my turkey. I have washed it, removed the giblets and everything. I'm going to let it immerse or submerge here right now, just like this. And to that, I'm going to add 1 lemon that I've sliced. More infusion even when it sits in the fridge is what I'm trying to do. I have some rosemary. I'm also going to add some thyme and sage. Perfect poultry seasoning. This is all going to just infuse in the water. I'm going to cover this and put in the refrigerator for 24 hours. It is very advisable that you do this process in the fridge and not on your countertop because that could lead to food poisoning. And when you are going to be serving other people with that, especially, you don't want to do that. You're going to be amazed at how good your turkey is going to turn out to be. It's going to be very moist, very juicy, and good to the very bone. Everybody's going to notice the difference. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this. Please like and share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.